And let's quickly shift our attention to big news coming in. Politically speaking, for Jharkhand, amid buzz over Champai Soren joining the BJP, sources in the Bharatiya Janata Party have informed CNN News 18 that Champai Soren is likely to join the Saffron Party and is in continuous touch with senior BJP leaders. 5 to 6 JMM MLAs will also join the BJP along with Champai Soren. So that's the latest bit of breaking news update coming in. Remember, he is the incumbent Water Resources Minister of Jharkhand. He was appointed to the Chief Minister's post after Hemant Soren was arrested by the ED. But upon relief from the Jharkhand High Court, Champai Soren stepped down from the post on the 3rd of July. Let me go across to Payal, joining us with more details. Payal, tell us a little bit about what sources in the BJP are telling you about this possible switch to the Bharatiya Janata Party alongside 5-6 MLAs.
What we're given to understand, Kritzween by way of sources, is that Champai Soren has expressed his desire to be with the BJP, and he has the support of 5 or 6 MLAs, within the Jharkhand Assembly, who essentially wanted to come forth and, jump ship to the BJP. Now, you have seen what has panned over the last few months. You saw, Hemant Soren being taken into custody by ED. He was arrested, after which he had to step down as the Chief Minister. And Champai Soren, who is an old hand, somebody who's worked with Shibu Soren also in the past, was given that responsibility. But the moment Hemant Soren came back, Champai Soren, whether asked not, had to step down from that post as well. So that is something, of course, which has pained him a big deal, because, he stepped in at a very crucial juncture. So that's the reason he's probably looking to jump ship to the BJP, because remember, as far as the BJP is concerned, after Raghuveer Das was made governor in Odisha, that post of the top leader, apart from Babulal Marandi, stands vacant as well. So BJP is also in the need for a big leader, as far as their fortunes are concerned, in the state of Jharkhand. In 2024 elections also, the elections did not go the way they would have really liked, because a lot of BJP looking at making the right moves as far as the elections are concerned. So, you have the likes of Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Hemanta Biswa Sharma, who are in charge of the state as well. So obviously we'll have to just wait and see how long before Champai Soren decides to join BJP. It could be in anywhere between 24 to 48 hours is what we're given to understand.
Okay. Payal, now Champai Soren has always remained a close aide of Soren family. What or something that he's spoken of, with the BJP leaders, is this all about the unceremonious exit from the top post?
Well, of course, like I said, that Champai Soren has been an old hand of the JMM. To step down unceremoniously the moment Hemant Soren returned back from the jail. That is something which, of course, not many people, especially supporters, really accepted. So respectability is something which Champai Soren obviously is looking for. To get BJP. The fact that, Hemant Soren was not, he wasn't innocent is what, many people really have been saying. That he was, in fact, people given to understand Champai Soren's conversation has been with the BJP leadership.
Okay, so him alongside 5 to 6 not spoken much in public domain. He says, "हम जहाँ हैं वहीं हैं." आप देख सकते हैं. So his big move still remains to be public.
आप लोग ऐसा सवाल ना जो बोलने भी नहीं सकोगे, हम तो आपका सामने है।